Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well. We are going to continue with Lesson 6 Fractions. In today's class, we're going to learn to compare fractions. Students, imagine that you went to Pizza Hut and you ordered a large sized pizza and you ate half of it. On the other hand, your small brother ordered a small sized pizza and he ate half of it. We cannot compare the half of the large pizza with the half of the small pizza. Half of the first pizza is not equal to the half of the second pizza. This is because the first pizza is not the same sized as the second one. Though both had half pizza, we cannot compare them. Remember, students, we can compare fractions from the same whole or the same sized whole. Students, you have learned to compare fractions with same denominators in your previous class. Let's quickly revise it. Let's compare two fractions with same denominators. 5 by 8 and 3 by 8. Both the fractions are divided into same number of equal parts, that is 8. We can show this as in the first fraction 5 parts are shaded out of 8 and in the second fraction 3 parts are shaded out of 8. 5 by 8 is a greater fraction than 3 by 8. When the denominators of two or more fractions are the same, the fraction with greater numerator is the greater fraction. Students, you have also learned to compare fractions when the numerators are same. Let's take an example. 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Both the fractions are having the same numerator, that is 1. As you can see in the picture, 1 by 2, one part is shaded out of 2 and the other picture, one part is shaded out of 4. The shaded part of 1 by 2 is greater than the shaded part of 1 by 4. This shows that when the numerators of two or more fractions are the same, the fraction with smaller denominator is the greater fraction. Let's compare using greater than, less than or equal to sign. The first example 4 by 8 and 2 by 8. Both the fractions have same denominator. Hence the fraction with a greater numerator is the greater fraction. So 4 by 8 is a greater fraction than 2 by 8. The next example 2 by 5 and 2 by 5. Both the fractions have the same numerator and denominator, hence both are equal. The next example 3 by 13 and 3 by 7. Both the fractions have the same numerator. Hence, small denominator is a greater fraction. Hence, 3 by 7 is a greater fraction than 3 by 13. 8 by 11 and 8 by 19. Both the fractions have the same numerator. Hence, the fraction with a smaller denominator becomes the greater fraction. Hence, 8 by 11 is a greater fraction than 8 by 19. I hope students you have learned to compare fractions with the same numerator or the same denominator.